Project description. Project title, curricular activities for students learning about sports, enjoying camaraderie, socializing in sportsmanship. Type of project, health, sports, and education. Project proponents, youth for tomorrow. Numbers of beneficiaries, all Centralian students. Location of beneficiaries, Monte Vista, Poblacion, Taytay, Palawan. Date of implementation, June 16, 2025, April 16, 2026. Area of project implementation, Central Taytay Senior High School standalone. Budget requirements, 28,140 pesos. Budget requested none.
Project background or situation analysis. Full load of schoolwork are a major problem of Centralian students. They often face lack of motivation and confidence. Also, it hinders their abilities, talents, and skills when it comes to sports. Because of the situation, the Youth for Tomorrow has decided to propose the project Active for Students that will help many students to participate and to show their talents, skills, and ability when it comes to sports on every Wednesday afternoon. This project aims to balance the academic life and sports by participating in our program, volleyball, badminton, tennis, takraw, and other native sports that may help them conquer their stress and the environment. To balance the academic life and sports, students should do the following: set goals, time management, and maintain physical and mental health.
Project objective. The Active Students Project aims to teach students to learn skills of sports, orient the students about what benefits they will get from our project, help students to socialize with other students, unleash the hidden skills and talents of students by conducting the fast field activity. Desired impact and outcome of the project. By the end, in this Active Students Project, the students are expected to know the basic skills when it comes to sports, to learn what benefits they will get to enhance their skills and talents, gain the friends to play along when they are bored, and enhance the utilities their skills and talents by applying them in every Wednesday activities in school. Piece of order during activities. Number 1, students' participation. The facilitator will ensure that every student will enjoy in game, ensuring activeness by monitoring their attendance and their presence. Number 2, peace and order during activities. The facilitator will request the assistance SSLG officers to help the proponent secure the safety of the participants.
Project organization and staffing, office or staff designated. Activity manager responsibilities to plan and facilitate the facilitator accordingly to their position. Contact person, Jeric Arroyo. Assistant manager to help the manager assist the following position. Chris Lawrence Laurente. Activity facilitator, facilitate the proponents and their safety during the game. Contact person, Marian Ganancial.
Program of organization. Organize the sequence of event. Christine K. Cantila. Assisting office. To assist the student to their respective event. Jericho Trono.
Detailed budget requirement. Budget line item. Volleyball net, flag, takraw equipment, badminton equipment, tennis equipment. Description. 2 balls those will use in game. 1 net those will use in event in volleyball. 2 flag those will use in line fault. 2 balls, 1 net that will use in equipment takraw event. 1 box of shuttlecock, 4 racket that will use in equipment of badminton event. 4 racket, 1 set of balls that will use in equipment and tennis event. Quantity, 2 balls. 1 net, 2 flag, 2 balls, 1 net, 1 box, 4 racket, 4 rackets, 1 set of balls. Amount needed in volleyball, 16,000. Amount needed in net, 1.5. Amount needed in flag, 500. Amount needed in takraw equipment, 1,000 plus 500. Amount needed in badminton equipment, 1,440 and 3,200. Amount needed in tennis equipment, 3,200 and 800. Proposed source: solicitation, school purposes, Socialization, school, proposal, socialization, socialization.